Hare Ram, Jesus, Hare Krishna. Let me tell you what is a sadhak and what's a siddha. Sadhak is the one who's got obsessed and possessed by this idea that there is a Ram, there is a Jesus, and I must pursue him. Mhm. A siddha is the one who is internalized Ram, Jesus, Allah, who has decoded this language. There's a language, Ram is a language. After all, it's a word. Jesus is a language. Allah is a language. Vaheguru, language. Words of a language. So these are code words. And decoded is an experience of existential bliss. Existential bliss. There is a bliss which is there, but you are not being able to experience it because you're confused in rights and wrongs and in rituals. The rituals are necessary, but with the understanding why are there. You see, you spend your life earning money, name and fame, to be able to have a good house, to be able to stock your kitchen with all the sweets and savories. This is all rituals. Why did you do all this? To be able to experience happiness? That you haven't. So you're going to office, you're going to work, earning money, name and fame, having a house, having a kitchen, having all the cereals and pulses, having the gas chulla. Everything is there, but you haven't yet started cooking happiness and tasting it. Because you have to cook it now. Everything is a ritual, what you're doing. But after all, the cooking must begin and you must start eating happiness. There is an existential bliss. You have to do all this. You have to earn money. If you want to go fly across to another country, call it US, call it for the Americans, call it India. You do everything and finally buy a ticket also. And you go to the airport also. And you stand in those lines and pass through the security gates also. And thereafter, you sit down there in the chair and don't board the flight. So these were all rituals which just gone waste. Whole life has gone waste. You had to board the flight. And the flight coming down is also a ritual. Because it is not supposed to be a car running around on the airports. It's supposed to take you up across to the चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहां गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले. So you have to be ready to mount, to board the flight. And the flight will take you. ले चल मुझे उस दुनिया में प्यार ही प्यार है जहां. So you have to be ready to board the flight. So don't waste your time in rituals only. You have to earn money, you have to have a house, but finally to be able to experience happiness. God is Ram. God is Allah. God is existential bliss. Existential bliss. It is there, but you have to manufacture it. You have to be able to experience it. Going to office and having name and fame and earning, getting some money in your bank balance is not going to give you happiness, but they are also required. So you can't leave your work. Don't have such imaginations that I want to leave work and now I want to belong to God. God is a procedure. Through your work, through your family, you will attain God. Guru Nanak never said you leave the earth and home and settle down in a forest. Neither did Krishna ever say, nor did Jesus ever say. Oh, Siddha will never say that. A sadhak, yes, you might follow him because he is also obsessed and possessed about the idea of Ram or Allah. So he is presently following rituals and going to forest and sitting in an ashram. So you can do that with him, but provided he also goes ahead and you also go ahead. A sadhak will sit in an ashram and sit in a cave. You also go and sit with him. You will be fortunate that if he also comes out of the cave and you also follow him outside the cave. Because to sit in a cave or to go to a Kumbh Mela cannot be the goal of life. The goal of human life is to be able to experience your existential bliss. Yogarato va, bhogarato va, sangarato va, sangavahina. Yasya Brahmani Ramate Chittam Nandati Nandati Nandateva. It means you don't have to experience the bliss in your mandir only, in the cave only. You have to experience this existential bliss all the time because it is eternally present. God is everywhere. Sri Ram is not only in a mandir. Nobody stops you from going to mandir. Must go. It's a ritual. But outside the mandir also you should be able to experience God. So go to a mandir, sit with me, experience God, happiness, but after I switch it off also, then also experience it. Not that you just experience it while we are together. But if you understand that what is satsang? Satsang is not meeting of people. We are people. Meeting of material. Ahirak vadna kija re man. Sukrit kar lija re man. Ahirak, this is material sitting with each other and a language being exchanged. Existential bliss is beyond materials. It's beyond language. It is beyond everything that can be discussed. It is there with you already. Yogaratova, bhogaratova, sangaratova, sangavihina. With people, without people, doing some rituals, not doing anything, sleeping, waking, in every situation, you should be able to experience your bliss. That's the goal of life. And yes, procedures are called rituals. Follow the rituals. This is also a ritual. We are sitting together. It's also a ritual. So, ritual must lead you to the righteousness which you are expecting. It's called dharma, megha, samadhi, kaivalya, oneness, prema, ananda. These are synonyms. This is language. It'll be your own experience with time. And once you attain this with time, nothing happens. You do not grow 50 years old in one day. It'll take 50 years for you to become 50 years old. How can you become it in one day? So it'll take time. Procedures will have to be followed. And by, you'll go beyond procedures. And then a person like me will have to request you, Ajao na. You will say, I am already there. I'll say, okay, let's still sit together. I'll say, come, let's sit together. You will say, but I've already reached. Wonderful, but still nothing stops us from sitting together. You are in Paramananda, I am in Paramananda, but there is still a scope for the Paramananda also. छलकाए जाम आइए आपकी आंखों के नाम, छलका ये जाम, चीयर्स करते हैं. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी माई ग्लास इज फुल, यू आर वेरी हैप्पी योर ग्लास इज फुल, तो थोड़ा छलका ये जाम आइए आपकी आंखों के नाम. I mean, sitting together, let's do cheers so that we become, my drop goes into yours and your drop comes into mine. So, God is existential bliss. Try to understand it. It's already with you. I am just kind of telling you. I'm not giving it to you. I am just telling you. Simro, simmer, simmer, sukh पाओ. सिमरो मीन्स याद करो कि तुम्हारे पास है श्री राम, तुम्हारे पास है शिव जी, माता वैष्णो माता वहां ज्योग्राफिक नहीं है सिर्फ, माता आपके पास है अभी. ना सबूत है ना दलील है, मेरे साथ रब्बे जलील. मुझे कौन तुझसे अलग करे, मैं अटूट प्यास तू झील है. पहले अटूट प्यास तो बने, अगर अटूट प्यास ही नहीं है तो झील कहां से आएगी. सो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, आई एम गिविंग यू अटूट प्यास. आई एम गिविंग यू सीकिंग. Once you seek ikshater na ashabdam. Highest knowledge in this world is, in this creation's highest knowledge is what? Ikshater. इच्छा तो हो, केवल केवल धन की इच्छा ना रह जाए, केवल फैमिली की इच्छा ना रह जाए, केवल नॉलेज की इच्छा ना रह जाए, बियॉन्ड श्लोकों की इच्छा ना रह जाए. बियॉन्ड ऑल दिस इज एक्सिस्टेंशियल ब्लिस. न योगेन न सांख्येन कर्मणा नो न विद्याया ब्रह्मात्म एकत्व बोधेन मोक्ष सिद्ध्यति न अन्यथा. इस श्लोकों की नॉलेज नहीं है. योग करने से, सांख्य हाईएस्ट एक स्पिरिचुअल डिसिप्लिन है, कपिल मुनीस. वेल, सो ना योग से, ना सांख्य से, ना दुनिया के कितने भी आश्रम बना दो, कितने भी अच्छे काम कर दो, इन सब से वो स्थिति नहीं आ सकती. मगर जब वो आएगी तो आप और ब्रह्मन एक हो जाएंगे. हरे राम. And we are all chosen ones. We are chosen ones. I am just guiding you on the path. हरे राम पंथ दसावा नित्य खड़ी, मूंद जो बण बाली राम राज्य. हरि हरि नाम चिताए, गुरु हरि मार्ग चाली. मेरे मन तन नाम आधार है, हूं मैं बिख जाली. फिर एट दिस मोमेंट देन आई एम नॉट अ मैन, I am not a woman. I am not a doctor. I am not just a friend. And I am a guide. पंथ दसावा नित्य खड़ी, मुंद जो बनवाली राम राज्य. I am that beautiful bride of the God. आत्मा परमात्मा. आत्मा परमात्मा एक होते हैं, दो नहीं होते. हरे राम हरे राम हरे राम हरे राम. सचखंड वस्य निरंकार, कर कर वेखे नदर निहाल. जो सचखंड में होता है उसकी प्रेजेंस ही सबको निहाल कर देती. निहाल. हम कब तक पूछते रहेंगे सोशल 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 इज शोषण, सोशल इज पतन. इफ इट्स मियरली सोशल. क्या हाल है, अब मेरे से कोई पूछता है क्या हाल है, आई मीन आई हैव ऑफन शेयर्ड विद हिम, मैं मुस्कुरा देता. क्या हाल है, हाल क्या है जी. दो ही हाल होते हैं, एक बेहाल एक निहाल. दूसरा कोई हाल नहीं होता. जो निहाल है उससे क्या हाल पूछोगे, और जो बेहाल है उससे क्यों पूछ रहे हो. दो ही तो हाल होते हैं, एक बेहाल एक निहाल। तो बेहाल को क्यों तंग करते हो पूछ के क्या हाल है? वो झूठ बोलेगा ठीक है जी, सब ठीक है जी। और जो निहाल है उससे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? वो क्या बताएगा? निहाल। अरे राम, सो बेहाल से मत पूछा करो क्या हाल है, उसको झूठ बोलना पड़ेगा। हरे राम, हरे राम, राम में रम जाओ, राम राम करते रहो, हरि हरि नाम चिताए, गुरु हरि मार्ग चाली। मेरे को कैसे हरि मिल गए? हरि 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 बोलते बोलते हरि मिल गए। राम 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 करते हुए रमा हो गए। रमा हो- हरे राम, हरे राम। और जो रमा हो जाए, फिर मेरे मन तन नाम आधार है, हूं मैं बिक जाली। फिर तो आप डॉक्टर नहीं रह जाते ना, फिर आप आदमी भी नहीं रह जाते, फिर औरत भी नहीं रह जाती। हूं मैं बिक जाली, फिर आप कुछ और ही हो जाते। और जब प्यार तुम्हें हो जाएगा तो मेरे जैसे बन जाओगे। हरे कृष्ण। प्यार ही एक ऐसी चीज है इस दुनिया में, इसलिए पहले बोलते हैं अथ तो धर्म जिज्ञासा, फिर बोलते हैं अथ तो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा, फिर बोलते हैं अथ योग अनुशासनम, फिर अंत में बोलते हैं अथ तो भक्तिर्व्याख्या श्याम। चलो आओ तुम्हें मैं प्यार सिखा दूं। भक्ति, प्रेम, वही ज्ञान है, वही कर्म है, वही योग है। योग का मतलब ये है कि एक हो जाना। योग मतलब एक हो जाना। और एक हो जाना कैसे होगे? एक हो, इच्छा होगी तभी होगे ना। इच्छते न अशब्द। yearn for oneness, yearn for oneness। प्यार चाहिए मुझे जीने के लिए, नहीं तो बहुत मुश्किल है जिंदगी। मुझको हर घड़ी दीदार चाहिए, हर घड़ी। ये सबके अंदर एक छुपी हुई प्यास है। When I was very young, I was sitting with my sister and she went away for a while. And when she came back, I was crying. She asked, क्या हो गया? अभी अभी तो हम खेल रहे थे. So I said I felt lonely. So I started crying. हर एक आदमी के अंदर वो लोनलीनेस है। सब कुछ होते हुए भी यू आर लोनली। उस लोनलीनेस को बस एहसास करो, बात बन जाएगी। बात बन जाएगी। बात बन जाएगी। बात ही तो नहीं बन रही ना, बस वो बात बन जाएगी। बाकी नहीं कुछ, पर दिल ना माने। नो, हाउ कैन आई ट्रांसलेट इनटू इंग्लिश? बाकी नहीं कुछ, पर दिल ना माने। यू कैन ट्रांसलेट इट इनटू इंग्लिश। बाकी नहीं कुछ, पर दिल ना माने। दिल क्यों नहीं लग रहा? बिकॉज दूजा पाओ विकार, बिकॉज यू वननेस इज लैकिंग। वननेस ही तो चाहिए। भगवान इज नॉट वन, भगवान इज वननेस। गॉड इज वननेस। Yearn for this oneness. Allow yourselves to feel that loneliness, so that finally that loneliness turns into solitude. You become one. कब तक पैसे कमाते रह जाएंगे? कमाओ कमाओ, no sin in earning money. I am myself a rich man, so I am not telling you don't earn money. Earn money, but know that finally what you need is inner happiness. बात बन जाए. Rituals करो, मंदिर जाओ, but know that you want to board the flight. You just don't need to sit on the airport. Hare Ram. Go to class, study, but finally to pass, not to keep sitting in the class. Hare Ram. Hare Krishna.